you are clapping for Jesus, can you make those hands big? What we are about to want if you make noise in the class, they will write your name for noise making. If you shout in the market, they will think that you are mad. And if you make noise on the street, they will call the police for public disturbance. But there is a place where you can shout. Can somebody make a joyful noise to the Lord? Oh. Hear this. Gentility and timidity minus brutality and ruggedity equal to nonentity in captivity.
Gentility is the foundation for captivity. Ruggedity advanced calamity.
Any man above counsel is beyond safety. Because if you cannot be corrected, you must be corrupted.
Integrity compels audacity. Iniquity attracts calamity.
Nothing sponsors frustration like lack of supervision.
It is not more titles, but more mantles that make a difference. Because you may increase in title without decreasing your battles. But to increase in mantle and not tackle your battles.
To every new mantle, there is a new battle that requires fresh mantle.
The matter is that the kingdom of darkness does not respect the weightiness of your title. They only respect the forcefulness and the integrity of your mantle.
Hear this. Hear this. A sacrificial man, he's too dangerous to be dared, too rugged to be rooted, too loaded to be wasted, too anointed to be demoted, and too surrounded by fire to surrender.
You cannot sit for instruction and rise to frustration. So those who live to give must give to live.
The weapon of sacrifice is more potent than physical weapon because giving affects living.
Hear this. Hear this. Poverty is not a sign of spirituality, but a lack of mentality. Because your mentality is a major determinant of your reality.
The temporary loss of mentality is the reason for adversity. So therefore, mentality is a change of locality.
There is no destiny for the dirty. There is no future for the filthy. And there can be no prospect for the polluted. So the way of integrity is higher than the way of compromise.
Your character determines your confidence. Your conduct determines your courage. So therefore, sin is a cracker and a silencer of voice.
Hear this. The dirtier a man's life, the more destroyable his destiny. Because nothing punctures a man's destiny like iniquity.
Oh yes, hear this. If you don't know your color, man will end you at the corner.
Hear this. Hello? Hear this. Not all that is popular that is proper.
Oh yes.
If you face your opposition, you will lose your position.
Hear this. When a woman leaves a man of vision to marry a man of television, she will surely use that same television to watch a man of vision.
Hello? Hear this. It is not everyone that is making noise that is making progress.
Hear this. Divinity designed humanity for longevity until when iniquity, which is the foundation for calamity, came.
Oh yes. You cannot hide your gift and gain a lift life, because your gift equals your lift.
The God you serve can never give you a battle that is heavier than your mantle.
Hear this. Wherever you see fire, it is traceable to desire.
Principles are beyond the making of principal people on earth.
Your adversity cannot be higher, cannot be stronger than your ability and capacity.
Oh yes. Hear this. God will never present you to your generation if you are not presentable by character.
Hear this. There is no level of spiritual maturity that can take the place of continuous intake of the word.
Do not lament over what you cannot amend.
Oh, yes.
Because if it is not amendable, it cannot be lamentable.
Hear this. Your wisdom is key to your stardom. Your wisdom determines your kingdom. And your collection is key to your collection. Your source determines your size. So the unction behind you in your commission determines the action of your life to your generation. Therefore, maintain
And sustain.
So that you can still retain
your domain.
Somebody shout fire! Somebody shout fire! Yeah.